Hello, my name is Aklito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Love. First I'm going to explain the chords, and later I'm going to sing a song so that you can get how the chords goes. So let's get started. First, chords. We're going to use 7 chords, as you see on the bottom of the screen. If you know all the chords, you can just skip ahead to the singing part so that you can just follow the video and play along with it. So I'm gonna put the time of the singing part so that you can skip ahead if you want to skip. Unless you know all the chords, please see these chord parts. I'm going to explain it one by one so that you can get it really clearly. So first chord you need to know is A minor. With your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string. It's the 4th string actually. That's A minor. The next chord is A7. Put your point finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. The next chord is C. This is super easy, right? Put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. The next chord is D. Put your point finger on the top string of the 2nd fret, and with the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and with your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. Basically, you need to place fingers on the top 3 string of the 2nd fret. That's D. The next chord is D7. Yes. Put your point finger on the top string of the 2nd fret, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. So that's gonna be D7. And the next chord is G. Put your point finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's G. The last chord you need to know is G7. Put your point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and with your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. That's gonna be G7. So you know all the chords. Now I'm going to explain the strumming patterns of this song. As an example, I'm going to use G. Basically, it's gonna be like down, down, up, up, down, up. That's the one set of the strumming pattern. So down, down, up, down, up. Just use these patterns and it's gonna be so cool. Now, I'm going to sing a song. Here you go. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore, and love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Doing love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to post a lot of videos, so please click the bell icon so that you can get the notification every time I post new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.